Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be continuing our look at the Wave 2 delivery from Nova Aetas. And in this one we have one of the art boxes, which is a special box that's designed by one of the artists, and this one is Diletto versus Renzo. There we are. So here we are with Diletto versus Renzo. I think what I'm going to do is, as per usual, open the box before we'd have a look at the, or open the cellophane before we have a look at the box properly, so that you can see it without the reflection. There we go. So that's Diletto, that's Renzo. And it's being designed, this one by MacLeod, as you can see. There we are. In this you get one Diletto miniature, one Doge miniature, 2 persona sheets, 2 enemy cards, 2 persona rules, 2 missions and various tokens. Whatever that may mean, I don't know. Let's open the box and have a butcher's. So let's make sure everything is out of the box, unlike last time. Okay, so here we go. Let's start off with the character cards. We have Renzo. He's just a one-off thing. He doesn't upgrade or anything. That's what you get for Renzo. And then Diletto. Hopefully I'm pronouncing the names right. There we go. And then we have tokens. Again, not quite sure what they all mean. I'm assuming these are health. That's their thingy token for the clock effigy bob. These tokens I'm not too sure of, rather. They're exactly the same on the back. So, seeing as we don't know what certain things are, let's take a look at the rule sheety thing and see if it will tell us on here. Box contents. No, it doesn't tell us on here what the tokens are. Just gives the 2 hero sheets for 3 classes. Ah, right. We don't have the 2 hero sheets for the 4 classes. No, we just have. Okay, so I need to get in contact about that, which is unfortunate. Yep, there's nothing there, so I need to make a note of that and then get back in contact with them so that I can let them know that I don't have those. Not terribly happy, but still. It's going to take a while before I start using them, so that's fine. Let's see, it doesn't tell us on here what the tokens are. And let's have a look on here, see if it tells us on here. It doesn't tell us on here what the tokens are for either. Not that I can see anyway. It may do somewhere. Weird. We have tokens here that I don't know what they're for. Odd, odd, oddie odd, odd. Yes, it doesn't tell us. It doesn't show the tokens. No, oh well. I suppose I'll have to have a read through and see if I can find it. So we have the little cards, we have the big cards. Let's have a look at the big cards first, shall we? And we have Diletto first off. That tells you about him. He's part of the Papal Army. And then we have Renzo, who is a Venice mercenary. There we are. Captain of the Falchi. There we are. Tells you all about them too, which is nice. And pop them back in there. Then we can have a look at the smaller cards. I'm going to have a proper look at these afterwards, just to make sure all the cards here are what I should have. But so far we have Papal Guard Armour, Finger of San Giovanni, Ragnarok, Save the Queen, Falchi Armour, Benvoglio Crest, the Aura of Command, Glory and Betrayal, Weapon Master, Exceptional Reflexes, Outcast of Rome, Rebellion Hero, In Pursuit of the Hawks, and Vengeance. And these are for the mission that's in the rulebook where they're fighting each other. So that's those cards looked at. The tokens are looked at, the rulebook slightly looked at. Let's have a look at the mini. Here is Diletto, Papal Warrior. I'm hoping it is, that's just flashing, so it can be taken off. A little bit of flashing on these, which I don't really mind. It's the horrible mould lines that annoy me more than anything else. The flashing I can cope with because it just scrapes off quite easily. That's going to be a bit of a pain to get off and make it still look good, but not to worry, all this flashing around here is nothing. There we are. That's Diletto, and now let's have a look at Renzo. Here he is. Again, nicely sculpted base for all of these Nova Aetas minis. Quite happy with the minis found in this game. I just need to work out how to play it. Okay, so that's Diletto versus Renzo. The what you call it, the first of all boxes that we're looking at. I don't think the pets one was an art box. So that's the first one. The next one, we have another one to look at next, and before we start on the bigger boxes and then some of the bigger beasties. So join us next time, why don't you? We'll be opening up another one of the art boxes. Until then, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.